The Hunter ICC is a sophisticated controller that allows you to create efficient watering schedules for each area of a property. The ICC's top-of-the-line features provide you with maximum flexibility and ease of use. Also called a clock or timer, the controller is the brain of an automatic irrigation system. Using low-voltage electrical signals, it controls the opening and closing of the valves in the system, turning on and off the flow of water to the sprinklers. The ICC has basic programming instructions inside the door. In addition, a complete owner's manual is provided with complete instructions on the controller's operation. For fully automatic watering, the ICC dial should always be left in the run position. To temporarily suspend watering, simply turn the dial to System Off. To manually operate a complete cycle of all programmed stations, turn the dial to Manual All Stations. Use the Program button to select program A, B, C, or D. Then turn the dial clockwise, back to the run position. Your complete watering program will water and then return to the automatic mode. To manually operate any single station in the system, turn the dial to Manual Single Station. The station number and programmed runtime will flash in the display. Use the right arrow to advance to the desired station. Press plus or minus to select the amount of manual watering time. Turn the dial clockwise to run to activate that station for your specified time. The ICC controller has a seasonal adjustment feature that allows you to adjust all programmed station watering times from 10 to 150% of the original programmed time in 10% increments. This saves you from having to reprogram watering times when the weather changes. Station run times are automatically recalculated and displayed. If you should need to set the time or make a change to the time due to daylight savings, turn the dial to Set Current Date Time. The ICC controller keeps track of both the current date and time, so the first thing you'll see flashing is the current year. During programming, flashing numbers are active and can be changed using the plus or minus button. Since we don't need to change the year in this example, we'll just press the right arrow to go to the current month and day. The month can be changed using plus or minus. Press the right arrow to go to the current day. The day can also be changed using the plus or minus button. Pressing the right arrow again takes us to the current time. You'll notice that there is flashing text next to the time. Use plus or minus to choose AM, PM, or 24-hour. Press the right arrow to move to the hour. Use plus or minus to change the hour. If you want to change the minutes, press the right arrow and make that change. When you have completed setting the time, you can either dial back to the run position or continue programming additional information into the controller. To change the time that the system begins to water, turn the dial to Set Watering Start Times. Use plus or minus to change the time the sprinklers begin watering. Note that the start time changes in 15-minute increments. There can be up to 8 start times per program. Each watering start time that you enter into the controller will result in one complete watering of all zones that have programmed station run times. Therefore, to water a yard one time for all areas, you'll need to enter only one start time. To delete any programmed start time, locate the start time you wish to delete. Use plus or minus to set the start time to off, which is located between 11:45 p.m. and midnight. To adjust the watering duration for any specific area, turn the dial to Set Station Run Times. Press the right arrow button until you see the number of the station you would like to adjust. Use the plus or minus button to increase or decrease that station's run time. To change the days that the system waters in order to comply with local water restrictions, mowing days, or other maintenance, turn the dial to Set Days to Water. Note that there is a flashing cursor above Sunday. Press plus to activate watering or minus to cancel watering on that day. After selecting plus or minus, the cursor automatically advances to the next day. Choose plus or minus to set the watering schedule for the rest of the week. The ICC controller offers advanced capability for selecting odd or even day watering and interval watering. For detailed information on programming the ICC this way, refer to the door instructions and the owner's manual. The ICC offers a wide array of features that can help you create a highly customized program for complex watering needs. Consult the ICC's helpful owner's manual for more information on the controller.